G'day, I'm Crybaby Cowboy. Welcome to Cooking That Gets You Laid. This week we're making a festive Christmas lunch. No, I'm not, Jim. That's gonna cost me a bloody arm and a leg. It's my ham and... You want me to just do what I did? Right. My Christmas lunch of baked beans on toast. How is it seductive? Jim, I don't think that's a thing, mate. It's baked beans on toast. Whack your heat on or whack it in a bowl and use a microwave if you're scared of the elements. If you're using a pot, then whack a heaped teaspoon or two of cumin and some chili flakes to taste for 30 seconds on the heat, and this will bring out the flavour. Then dump your beans on top and stir. While your beans heat up, grab some cheese. It can be that dry and feral pre-grated stuff or a block you slice up. I'm not biased either way. Add the cheese to your beans and stir occasionally to help it melt. Then add some bread to your toaster, and you can add a splash of Worcestershire Sauce to your beans if you want. And keep stirring occasionally to stop the melted cheese sticking to the bottom of your pot. And plate up by whacking your toast on a plate, and then you just pour your beans on, crack some pepper over and drizzle a little olive oil on top, and that's it. And then I just sit here and I ate it on my own, Jim, and that's how my Christmas went. Oh, this is sensual because you can take something kind of pavo and make it better than it is. Kind of like myself, really. And yeah, this is for one, but you can have it for two if you just add more, and then you won't be on your own on Christmas. So yeah, recipes in the flonk below, and like and subscribe if you want more of this. Until next time, I'm Crybaby Cowboy Bonza Pede. Oh, Jimmy. I'll take a bite in a minute, Jim. Did you have a good Christmas, mate? No, Shazza, she's still not answering the calls. It's weird getting all emotional and you guys are just staring.